What's up, fellow traders? So today we came up and tested the 8070 again. I'm gonna grab the mic and go over a couple things what I'm seeing here. Last night I pointed out on the S&P how we're at that major resistance over that 2-year trend line from our first lower high to lower low. I'm going to go over that too because I want to show you how it's working out with the Dow, where I said the Dow hit it and failed already. I can't believe Bed Bath & Beyond went back up above 30. It seems like that 30 to 29 nut right there is pretty tough for them to break down through. If I was home at the post today, I would have definitely picked up more Dollar Tree shorts above 45. My partner picked up the $41 puts. Good move. Volume was super light today as they fluffed it back up to the 8070 level, and you know, they're definitely setting us up for this drop. Everything's picture perfect, storybook, light volume, fluffing up, can't hold it, but we just got this against us, them coming out with new things to pump the market and help these losers in their homes that, you know, got in too deep over their head. And we have that working against us, and that's the only thing that's gonna basically reverse what's happening right now, which is the market rolling over, volume light as it comes up to test the resistance level. We're definitely going down to the 50-day on the Dow and S&P. I'm going to start today off with just like the day chart of the Dow. It's just amazing how we ramped up and just banked. This is the 870 level here. Just dinked it. You know, even like an upper wick. Didn't even really hit it solid, and then, you know, sold right off. Then we kind of fluffed around, and here towards like the end of the day, we came up, dinked it, found some support, came up. This is what I call sucking them in right there, and then we fell right through, dink, full upper wick right here, and sold off into the end of the day. You know, I would love to see this down below 78.80. We were close here this morning. I checked on my phone and was like, nice, let's get down there. Didn't happen. They fluffed it up again. I'm gonna pull up this next chart of the Dow, but remember, this is that trend line I like right here. We dinked it. These two prominent tops hit it and failed, and look how it failed last week when it hit it, and we're back up on it again right now. And where we closed today is our closing low, where we had our down day, our low in November, then that next day, that up day where it closed. That's where we're battling right now. We found support there here before our big dip. We're right there. I mean, we closed right on it. So we got this right here working against the bulls, and this. And we're up at it on super light volume. Like if you can see down here, you know, I mean, it's gonna pressure it and just boom right down to this 7,500 area on the Dow. And I'm gonna close this out because you see what I mean about how it, you know, how it already failed last week and it hadn't got there yet on the S&P. Until just recently. And I like to start up there where we made our first lower high and lower low back at the end of '07. And then we dinked right off of it. And there we are. Now as far as where the S&P's at, because I'm going to check this out right now. You can see like the S&P's battling the October support after the plunge in October. It's battling that right now. So that's what it's got going against the S&P, which should power it down to the 790 level. You all heard me talk when I had longs before the big dip down. I used to say, come on, let's get this run up before things get really bad, because we know things are bad. You know, we know how they just packaged up these mortgage-backed securities and created these vehicles and sold them to the whole world. And, you know, I think on the down low right now, that's the big deal that's going on. Is, you know, they know that America, Wall Street took them bad. And like this article I read today, Lehman was selling all their mortgage-backed securities, all these super high risk stamp AAA to mentally ill and elderly people in Hong Kong. So they weren't only selling them to little towns everywhere, and they were going after individuals. I think that's gonna sting the market. A question I've been asking myself: can the economy prosper without Wall Street this time? Can our businesses grow and things get better and money start flowing down here on Main Street while Wall Street takes the plunge? Good luck.